Hello and good afternoon, it's Chioma Francis. So today I'll be showing you a quick way to make your whitening facial cream. This cream can serve as your half-cast cream, Arabian half-cast facial cream, Arabian facial cream, whatever you want to name it. So in here I have my Adhere and vitamin C sunblock. Look at the sunblock that I'm using, Kojic White Gold sunblock cream with vitamin C. This is Adhere. For those of you that don't know, the product is very good. If you don't want to whiten your face, you can use it as toning or normal lightening. This is the tube I'm using. This does not contain clove, betasol or whatnot. This is not that those 450 naira tube. This is visible solution made in Switzerland. Very nice, very good for the face. This is how it is. Swiss formula. And here, this is epiderm lotion. I add it to my facial cream to prevent anything like white spots, eczema, rashes and whatnot, because people tend to react or break out while mixing using mixed facial cream. This is H&D secret oil. This is original. They have so many fakes, so be careful. All these things, if you're in Owerri, I bought them from everyday supermarkets. This is 1,580 thereabouts. So let's get started. Here I've already added my Adhere and vitamin C sunblock. So now I'm going to add my tube solution to it. I'm not using much. I'm using about half contents. You can see that's enough. Even though it's small, the pack is small, the content is plenty. So I'll be adding my epiderm to it. I won't be adding much. This is enough. I'll be leaving the measurement under the description box. When you're used to mixing, you will not really measure. Somebody said just use your head to gauge the quantity. So what I'll be adding next is my H&D secret oil. I won't be adding much, just few of it. You will not really see it coming out, but it's coming out. I think that's enough. You can see it by the side. H&D. So I'll just mix all this together. So after mixing, this is how it is. Look at it. It's more of a cream, the way a face cream, a normal face cream should be. If you're to sell now, this thing can give you like 2 containers of facial cream. Facial cream normally come in containers like this, so this can give you 2 full containers of this. So there you have it, just a simple way to pro-mix your facial cream. Remember, anything you're using for the face, be very careful. You don't need to add so much or too many ingredients or products, because the results will be white patches, eczema, craw, what have you not. And some people start experiencing red face. All these things I used are just mild and easy. I'm not using so many ingredients or so many products. Once again, I used my Adhere face cream. This is Kojic White Gold sunblock. Very necessary. Even though you're using the face cream at night, you need a sunblock. If you are in a country where there is no much sun, or the weather is winter or whatever, you can use it during the daytime and at night. But if you are in Nigeria, I beg you, use it at night. The weather is not friendly. I used epiderm lotion, H&D secret oil, visible solution. Okay, so for those of you that will find this expensive to use, you can use Aplivet tube. There are other nice tubes that you can use for the face, but either I use this or I use Aplivet. Hope you enjoyed. Thumbs up if you like, and please subscribe to my channel, share, invite people to learn and empower themselves this 2019. Thank you. And once again, please, my ebook is available for sale, 20,000 naira only. Thank you. Bye.